After weeks of holidays, our little stars are finally back where they belong, at Macoons. The school was all decked up and teachers were ready to welcome our children with open arms, cheerful decorations and lots of love from the moment they walked through the gates. Their smiling faces lit up every corner of the school. And oh, did we have a lot to catch up on. We danced, sang, laughed and shared stories from our vacations. Our teachers had planned exciting activities to make the first day extra special, and the children jumped right in with enthusiasm and joy. Seeing these happy faces return reminds us why we love what we do every single day. The classrooms are once again buzzing with energy, curiosity, and endless chatter. Just like that, the holidays are over, the routines are back, and our hearts are full. Here's to a year filled with learning, friendships, fun, and beautiful memories at Macoons Preschool.